Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. Today we are going to discuss some questions and topics related for term and exam. Okay, let's start the topic. This video I have divided into two parts. So have patience and try to understand the topic. Okay, and please to complete your curriculum, please watch both the videos. Okay, let's start the topic. First is which relation is a function. Okay, now this one is very interesting topic because if you understand this thing properly, then there will be no need to practice much. Okay, just only the concept will help you to understand the questions easily and it will be forever. Okay, see, relation is a function. So I have another video for this. For detailed description you can see, you can watch that video. Okay, but just for this question only I'll try to explain in short. If you have picture like this, if graph is making or figure is making like this, then this is not a function. This is not a function. Okay, means if any element from this side, this is one set and this is another set, like in the question you can see there are two sets, one here, which is input and output. This is called input and this is called output. Okay, so if you can see picture is like this, then it is not a function. Okay, just make sure that you watch it clearly. Now, so question is what? Which relation is a function? So for the function, you must have this different, means you can have like this, it's okay. Repetition should not be in the input. Okay, it can be repeated with the output, but repetition should not be done for the input. So you can see in this second picture, you see this, here two lines are going from this 9. Okay, it means what? It means 9 is related to 1 and 9 is related with 2 also. So if one element in input is related with more than one element in output, then this is not a function. I repeat, this is not a function if one element in input is related with more than one element in output. Same here you can see, just one element of input is related with 4 elements of output. So this is also not a function. Okay, so this is not a function, this is also not a function. And here you can see 10 is related with 4 from input and 10 is also related with 8. So this is also not a function. So what's the answer? A is the answer because every different element, you see 5, 10, 15 and 20, they are related with 1. I told you this picture can be possible like this, but not like this. Okay, so hope this question is clear to you. Let's go to the next question. Now this is the same type of question but for the table. So what I told you, same value of x should not have different value of y. Okay, a function means what I told you, a function means same value of x should not have different values of y. Values of y. Remember that x is called input and y is called output. Now you can see here 7 is related with 15 and 7 is related with 18 also. So this is not an answer. This is not a function. It is a relation. It's okay. But it is not a function. Now here you see 1 is related with 5 and 1 is related with 8. So this is also not possible. Here you see all elements are different. Yes, -4, -1, 6, 8. So it is, every element is different. So this is a function. Okay, but here you see 5 is related with 0, 5 is related with 5, 5 with 10 and 5 with 15. So this answer is also not correct. Okay, hope you understand this. If you have any problem in between, then you can write in the comment. Okay, I will explain it again. Now, which relation? Same type of question with the graph. Okay, now you see, if you have graph, then it's very easy to check for the relation to be a function. Okay, and how we check? We check it by vertical line test. Okay, my dear students, Everything is same. This is the third question of the same type. Every time I am doing the same thing, but by the different method. Okay. See, vertical line test means if you can draw a vertical line, okay, if you can draw a vertical line passing from the different point, you see, I am drawing a vertical line here and it is passing from 2 points, yes or no? Yes. So this is not a function. Actually meaning is the same, because if you take the vertical point here, so what is the coordinate of this point? 1 for value of x and 2 for value of y, and here 1 for value of x and minus 2 for value of y. So you see value of x is same, but value of y is different. What I told you in the last question. Okay, so this is not a function. Now here you see you cannot draw a vertical line which passes from 2 points, because if you draw here, here and here, this also and this also. Okay, so this will be the function. But this one, if you draw a vertical line from here like this, you see it is touching two lines, it is passing from 2 points. So this is also not a function. Now here, if you can see, if you draw a vertical line, then it will cut this graph at 2 points. So this also is not a function. Okay, so vertical line test means if a vertical line you can draw in the picture which touches or passes from 2 points, two different points, then that relation will not be the function. Okay. Now next is the amount of snow that falls during a snowstorm is shown in the graph. What is the equation for the function represented in the graph? Now here I will tell you one thing, that the standard equation is what? Y is equal to ax plus b. Now what is a here? A is the slope. And what is b? B is the y-intercept. Y-intercept means value on y-axis, where line cuts y-axis. Okay, so you can see line is cutting it on y-axis at 8. Okay, line is cutting y-axis at point 8. So this is the value of b. This is the value of b. So y is equal to ax plus 8. Now you can see the choice. If choices are given to you, then it's very easy for you to find. Now you can see we have only one option where plus 8 is written. Okay, but I will complete the question, because maybe by chance they will write to check you here also 8. Okay, then what you will do, there will be the confusion. Now let's complete the question. How you will find slope A? For slope A, there is a very simple formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, or you simply say rise over run. So that is y2 and y1 I am taking from here. Okay, any 2 point you can take. So y2 I am taking the upper point, you can take any point. So 16 minus 14 divided by 4 minus 3 means 2 over 1 means 2. So value of A is 2. So y is equal to 2x plus 8. This is the answer. Okay. Hope you understand this question. This was easy question, but you must remember this one. Okay. Now next is the table shows the amount of flour remaining after baking loaves of banana bread. Assume the relationship between the two quantities is linear. Linear means because every time we have x and y to the power 1. So this type of equation is called linear equation. Okay. What is the equation for the function represented in the table? You see, again, y is equal to ax plus b is the standard equation. Okay. And how you will find the value of b? For b, value of x must be 0. So now you can see here that 2, 4, 6, 8, every time it is increasing by 2. And here it is decreasing by 4. Okay. So if it means if you have to find the up number, then you will add 4 here. So before 2, you will have 0. And then before 16, you must have 20, because plus 4. So value of b will be 20. Now you see, I told you in the last question, value of b is 20 means the last number should be 20. So it means this is not possible, this is not possible. So now from these two, let's see how you will find the value of a. So a is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So take any two values of y. 12 minus 16 divided by 4 minus 2. 12 minus 16 is minus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that is minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 20 will be the answer. Not this one, minus 2x plus 20, this one. Okay. Now, next is Angelica reads 15 pages of a book each day. Okay, each day. See, formula is the same, ax plus b. So whatever you say each day, per day, for every, okay, so this is called rate of change. What we say? Rate of change. So this will help you to find the value of a easily. So here a is equal to 15 because she reads 15 pages per day. Okay, so this is the rate of change. So 15. Okay, a is 15. So this answer is not possible. This answer is not possible. So maybe a is correct, maybe b is c is correct. Now let's see. In 10 days, so value of x is 10. This is input. She reads 200 pages. Assume the relationship is linear. What is the equation for the function represented in the number of days, and y represents the total number of pages she reads? So in 10 days means x is equal to 10. She reads 200 pages. So 200 is the value of y. So you just put it here. So y is equal to means 200 is equal to ax. A is 15, x is 10 plus b. So 200 is equal to 15 multiply 10, 150 plus b. So b is equal to 50. Okay. So what will be the answer? Y is equal to 15x plus 50. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now, let's talk about this graph. The readings from a thermometer placed outside for a day is shown in the graph. Which of the following describes the change in the temperature over time? You see, temperature is taken on y-axis and time is taken on x-axis. Okay. Now you can see, firstly, temperature is going up. Yes or no? Temperature is going up. It is increasing. And after that, it becomes constant because x is not changing. And then it is decreasing because it is going down. So what answer we are going to choose? Initially temperature increases, okay, then stay constant, this also okay for most of the day, and then decreases. Yes, this option is correct. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Which system of the equation represents the graph? Okay, now students, this type of question you can solve in various methods. Okay, so first method is you can take this point of contact, point of intersection here. What is the coordinate of this point? 1, 2, means value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. So you can put the values here in all the equations. Okay, and you must check where left hand side and right hand side both are same. Then you will get the answer. Okay, this is one method. Another method is with the point, with the formula that y is equal to ax plus b. What I told you, y is equal to ax plus b, where b is the intercept on y-axis, where line is cutting y-axis. So this line, I am taking this as L1. Okay, line L1 is cutting y-axis at 3. So one answer will be plus 3. So where is plus 3? You can see. Do we see plus? Sorry, it is 4, not 3. 4 plus 4. So you can see we have plus 4 in these two places. So this answer is not possible. This is not possible. Okay. Now let's check for another one also. So this 4, it's okay. Let's check for another line L2. Now this is cutting y-axis at minus 1. So another equation will be ax minus 1. So minus 1 is here. Yes. So it means this option is correct. See, like this, if you understand these small things, how easily you can do the question in very short time. Okay, otherwise it will take time to find the equation and then to write here. Okay, it is not difficult. I am not saying it is difficult, but you will have to put some extra efforts, like I told you in the last question. Next is, which system of equation represents the graph? Now you can see one line is parallel to y-axis. Sorry, x-axis. Yes. So if line is parallel to x-axis, its equation will be in y only. Y is equal to any number. And what number is this? Minus 2. So one line will be minus 2. So where is y is equal to minus 2? Only in this option. Yes. So this answer is correct. But just to complete the question, let's find this equation also. How you will find this? What I told you. This is y is equal to ax plus b, okay, because it is cutting x-axis and y-axis both. It is not parallel to x-axis or y-axis. So at what point it is cutting y-axis? At 4. So it should be plus 4. Okay. So this is the answer correct. Next is enter value of a for which the system of equation has no solution. Now students, there is a common formula for all these things. Okay. See, if you have y is equal to a1x, or I will write in the general formula, this is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, one formula, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, another formula. So if you have a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to we say, then it will have unique solution or one solution. Okay, unique solution or one solution means line will be intersecting like this. Line will cut each other at a single point. Okay, this is the general thing I am telling you. By this you can solve all question. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In this case you will have infinite solution. Infinite solution means lines will be overlapping line. Okay, means one line will be on another line, or in short you can say equation will be same like this. Okay, and the third one is if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then no solution. No solution means lines will be parallel to each other like this for the graph. Okay, this for the graph I told you. If graph is given, then you can do like this, you can check from here. Okay, but if not, if equations are given to you, then you can check like this. So they are asking for no solution. Yes, so no solution means this last one. Okay, so we'll just remove this. This is not required here. So check for no solution only. What's the condition? They say a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, so what is a here? A means with x, b means with y, and c means the constant term. So what is written with a? 5. What is written with another x? Sorry, what is written with x in the first equation? 5. What is written with the x in second equation? A. Then equal to what is written with y? Coefficient of y 1. Coefficient of y in another equation 1. Then the constant term minus 7 up and 4 another equation. Okay, so for this you see 5 over a is equal to 1. It means it is not equal to, okay, because it is no solution. So 5 over a is equal to 1 means a is equal to 5. Okay, a is equal to 5. Because if you put here 5, then 5 over 5 will be 1 and 1. Here also they should be same but not equal to this. So a must be equal to 5. Okay. Now next is enter values of a and b so that the system of equation has infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution means both equations should be same. Both equations should be same. So see, this is y is equal to minus 2x minus 8. Here if you want to make it same to same like the first equation, what you will do? In place of a you will write minus 2 and in place of b you will write minus 8. So a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to minus 8. So do we have any such option? Yes, this is the correct option. Okay. Next is if the lines in a system of equation have different slope. Slope means I told you slope is the inclination with x-axis, okay, or rise over run. So you can have like this. This is the slope, okay, like this is the angle making with the x-axis, okay. So this is called slope or inclination. So what they are saying here, if the lines in a system of equations have different slopes and the same y-intercept, okay, let's make a picture here, try to make a picture. They should have different slope, means like this you make one and like this you make another. Like this, okay. They have same y-intercept means necessarily it should cut on y-axis, okay, at the same point. You see, so their y-intercept is same and slope is different. Why slope is different? Because this angle and this angle both are different, okay. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now So what kind of equation, what kind of picture we are getting here? We can see that these two lines are cutting each other at one point here. So if one point cutting, then this is called one solution. What we say? One solution. Or what is the other name for this? Unique solution. What we say? Unique solution. Okay. Now, next is solve the system of equation by elimination, another also elimination. So that's what I have taken these two questions together. Just try to understand. Elimination means we want to remove either x or y. Now you will see here you have your own way to calculate the questions, okay? But if you are in the right direction, then you will do it faster. Now you see, we try to make the coefficient of x or y same, and luckily you can see here coefficient of y is already same. Here is 2 and here is 2, and more luckily they are opposite, they are of opposite sign. It is -2, it is +2. So what you do here? You just add the equations. So when you will add them, then -2y and +2y cancelled. 4x plus x, 5x is equal to 11 plus 14, 25. So x is equal to 5. Now, when x is equal to 5, then plug in this value of x in any of the equation. So I am putting in the first equation. So 5 minus 2y is equal to 11. So minus 2y is equal to 11 minus 5. So minus 2y is equal to 6. So y is equal to minus 3. So value of x is 5 and value of x is y is minus 3. So 5 minus 3 will be the answer, because you know that in any coordinate first we write the value of x and then we write the value of y. Okay, same here. You see, solve the system of equations by elimination, but here numbers, no coefficients are equal. For first equation, coefficient of x is 8 and coefficient of second equation x is minus 6. In the first equation, coefficient of y is 14, and in the second equation, coefficient of y is minus 7. But if you see here, if we multiply this second equation by 2, when I say multiply the equation by 2, it means all terms of the equation will be multiplied by 2. Okay, so if you multiply by 2, then coefficient of y will be same, because second also it will become 14. So let's multiply. So it is minus 12x minus 14y equal to minus 20. Write the first equation below this. 8x plus 14y equal to 4. Now coefficient of y, terms of y are of opposite sign. One is negative, one is positive. So add them. By addition, what you will get? Minus 12x plus 8x. It will be minus 4x. Why minus? Because the bigger number is negative. Minus 20 plus 4 will be minus 16. So x will be equal to negative 4. Okay. And now plug in the value of x in any of the equation. What answer you will get for y? 8 times minus 4 plus 14y equal to 4. Now 8 times, see students, I will tell you one thing here. After getting x is equal to minus 4, we know that this will be the correct answer, because only in this number, in this choice, x is minus 4. Okay. But why I am doing the complete question? Because maybe this question will be as a free response. There will be no multiple choice. Okay. So try to understand this. Minus 32 plus 14y is equal to 4. So 14y is equal to 4 plus 32 means 36. So if, is it correct? Is this the correct option? I am doing it because maybe I'll not get the answer correctly. 8x plus 14y is equal to 4. So 8x is minus 4 plus 14y equal to 4 minus 32 goes another side, become plus 32. 14y is equal to 4 plus 32, 36. So y is equal to 36 over 14. And it will be, certainly it will not be 3, because here you see the second choice is 3. See, that's what I told you. You must complete the complete answer. You must write the complete answer. Okay, because here if you see, shall we check the question again? Maybe somewhere I did the mistake. Okay, so I have multiplied the second equation by 2. So minus 12x minus 14y equal to minus 20. This line is okay. 8x plus 14y equal to 4. This also okay. We are adding it. So minus 12 plus 8, it is minus 4x. Minus 20 plus 4, it is minus 16. So x is equal to, oh sorry, this is not negative 4. This will be positive 4. Okay. So positive 4. Now put positive 4 here. So it will be positive 32. Positive 32 will go to another side, become negative 32. And negative 4 minus negative 32 means minus 28. Is this the correct now? And minus 28 means minus 28 over 14 means minus 2. But still we are not getting. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, see 4 minus 2. Okay, so this is by mistake I write here minus 4, so it took your time. Okay, so like this you will have to pay attention with the calculation. Okay, now next is write the equation y 4x plus 2y is equal to 6 in the slope intercept form. What is slope intercept form? Y is equal to ax plus b is the slope intercept form. Means how you will remember this? Y should be alone on one side, and then after equal to you must have ax plus b. So you see given equation is 4x plus 2y equal to 6. Now leave this y here and take this term to this side. So it will become negative. So 2y is equal to 6, or you can say minus 4x plus 6. Now this y should be alone, means there should be no coefficient with it. So divide by 2. Every term will be divided by 2. So this is y is equal to negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay. So this is y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. So this option is correct. Okay. Next is, okay, now it is something interesting for you. In the given figure, line U is parallel to line V. These two are the parallel lines. Classify the relationship between 1 and 8. Students, I made another video for all these things in detail. Means what is a parallel line, what is transversal line, what is corresponding angle, vertical angle, alternate, everything. Okay. So, but just for this question only, I will draw your attention on what type of angles 1 and 8 are. So this is 1 here and this is 8 here. You can see they are outside angles. They are outside, means they are facing outside. Okay, they are out of the lines. So they are exterior and they are another side of line, means this is down of this line, downside, and this is upside. So they are on alternate. So what type of angle they are? Alternate exterior angles. Whereas if you talk about 4 and 6, then 4 and 6 will be alternate interior angles. Okay, you can see my video for all these things in detail. Now in another question, number 17, in the figure line F is parallel to line G. These are the two parallel lines. Classify the relationship between 4 and 7. 4 is here and 7 is here. So what type of angle they are? You see, they are on the same side. So there is no option of alternate. Cancel, cancel. Because they are on the same side of the line. Okay. Now you can see when they have same place, different position. Same place, different position. Then that type of angles are called corresponding angle. What we say? Corresponding angles. Okay. And vertical angle means, I told you before also, vertical angle means face to face angle. Face to face angle like this, or opposite angles. Okay, like this. Now, what this? In the figure, line C is parallel to line D. What is measurement of X? Okay, line C is parallel to D. See, this one and this one is parallel. So, what is the measure of X? You see, this angle is 130. So, this angle will also be 130. Why? Because corresponding angles, they must be equal. But this angle, you know the meaning of this side, this one? This is called 90 degree. Okay. So they say this is 90 degrees. So find this X. So X plus 90 should be equal to 130. So X will be equal to 130 minus 90 degree, means it will be 40 degree. Okay. So this will be the option. Now, next question. A pair of parallel power lines is installed on a slope. This one. Find measurement of angle 3 and measure of angle 2. Find measure of angle 3 if measure of angle 2 is 143. You see, this angle is given 143 and measure of angle 3. Angle 3 may be this one. Okay, because they have not mentioned it clearly here. So I think this is this acute angle. Okay. Now, if this angle is, I'll make the little bigger picture so that you can understand it. Okay, this is line like this, vertical line I want to draw here. This angle is 143 and they say find this angle. Okay, now you see sum of these two angles, 143 plus measurement of angle 3 must be equal to 180. Okay, so measurement of angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 143. It means it should be 37 degree. Okay, just check the calculation once more. 37 degree. Okay, hope my dear students you understand this part. I try to make it easier for you, but if you have any problem you can see the particular video for that concept. Okay, especially how to solve the equation of line by elimination method, substitution method, that removing the coefficients. Okay, and then after that what are the alternate angle, what are the corresponding angle, exterior angles. Okay, I have made different videos for this. Okay, so please try to understand the lesson and then don't forget to watch part 2 which is for your term and exam. Okay, thank you, and if you like the video and if you think that it will increase your knowledge, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you everyone.